Kia ora guys, welcome to another flip video session. Today we are learning the symbols of mathematics. Let's get into it. What do these symbols mean to you? Tricky, right? Some of them you've never seen before. Some of them you may have, but what do they mean? Alright, let's learn. The first symbol is the equal symbol, and it tells us what something equates to. So 4 plus 4 is the same as 8. When we see the equal symbol, our brain should think is the same as 5 groups of 6 is the same as 30. And we've all seen that symbol before, right? Alright, now some symbols that could be new to you. What does this squiggly one over here mean? Ooh, tricky. It means approximately equal to. We use this symbol when making estimates. So 15 times 23 is close to, or is approximately, 300. 35 plus 53 is close to or approximately 90. So the language we use for this symbol is close to or is approximately. Alright, next one guys. This symbol over here, the equal symbol with the line running through it, it means does not equal. So it isn't the same as something else. Something else is not the same as. So 14 plus 8 does not equal 12. 45 groups of 3 does not equal 15. So when you see an equal symbol with a line through it, it means does not equal. This one here. This symbol here means less than. Now let's look at the example. 4 is less than 9. And we've got the less than symbol there. And that's true. 4 is less than 9. And we can write that in a sentence as well. 4 is less than 9. 120 is less than 321. That is true, isn't it? So the language we use is less than or is smaller than when we see that symbol. The next symbol is a greater than symbol. 9 is greater than 4. And in a sentence format there, 9 is greater than 4. In another example, 321 is greater than or is bigger than 120. And the language we use for this symbol is greater than or is bigger than. And here's a good trick to remember it. The gator's mouth, I forgot a word there, it's mouth. The gator's mouth is always eating the biggest number. So on the left-hand side, we have the less than gator. And on the right-hand side, we have the greater than gator. Remember, the gator's mouth is always eating the biggest number. All right, and this symbol here means plus or minus. And it's not one we see that often, but we might see it if we're looking at the temperature for the day. The temperature is going to be 13 degrees Celsius plus or minus 2 degrees. So it could get up to 15 degrees Celsius, or it could get down to 11 degrees Celsius. So it just gives us a range of possibility where the answer could fit in. So plus or minus, think temperature. The temperature could be 24 degrees today, plus or minus 3 degrees. So it could go to a high of 27 or a low of 21. Alright guys, hopefully this flip has expanded your understanding of the symbols we see in maths. Cheers.